Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your roundup of top carbon removal developments from this week. 𝐞𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 Carbon raised $160 million in Series B to expand afforestation and sequester 100 million tons of carbon dioxide through its sustainable restoration project. Mast Reforestation secured $25 million for biomass carbon removal and storage and launched the first restorative carbon removal project. Carbon Zero emerged from stealth with a $3.5 million seed round for biochar-based carbon removal, backed by tech executives. Blue Sky Carbon secured $500,000 to advance carbon removal and clean tech. Recarba raised €5.1 million to scale high-integrity carbon removals aligned with the Swedish and global climate targets. Canada Nickel Company received $3.4 million in federal funding to develop a technology that uses mine tailings to store carbon. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 and Carbon Future signed a long-term agreement for high-quality carbon removal credits. The Mercedes Formula One team partnered with 𝐞𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 Carbon to support high-quality carbon removal projects across the southeastern United States. Avantium Solutions partnered with Climeworks to support their direct air capture research by providing a new high-throughput adsorption testing unit. The Science Based Targets Initiative has established 5 expert working groups to enhance the corporate net zero standard, with a key focus on interim carbon removal targets. Symbiosis Coalition launched a nature-based CDR investor database. Carbon2C and NASEM launched a standing committee to share scientific updates and track ocean-based CDR. Isometric has certified the new biochar storage in low-oxygen burial environments module, which outlines the requirements and procedures for storing biochar in engineered, lined landfills. Reverse is seeking feedback on a novel carbon credit methodology for marine subsediment biomass burial, storing biomass beneath the ocean floor for permanent carbon removal. Inputs due by the 10th of March, 2025. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 unveiled its strategy for catalytic carbon removal. Captura shared an update on its ocean MRV program. BCG released a report on unlocking Southeast Asia's carbon market potential, highlighting key opportunities and challenges. New study suggests BECCS potential is far lower than expected when respecting planetary boundaries. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.